Hey there, art enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the captivating world of contemporary art. Let's explore how artists bring life to inanimate objects and foster emotional reactions in viewers. Imagine the humble coffee cup. It's just a plain object, nothing special at all. But what happens when an artist puts their stamp on it? Suddenly, it becomes a piece of art, and you find yourself looking at it differently. Your eyes are drawn to it, and you start seeing something new and unique. Contemporary artists possess this incredible ability to breathe life into ordinary objects. They can transform the mundane into something extraordinary, simply by adding their artistic touch. And this transformation isn't just visual, it can evoke emotions in viewers as well. So the next time you encounter a piece of contemporary art, remember that there's a story behind it, a story of a talented artist bringing life to an inanimate object. Appreciate the effort and creativity that went into creating it, and let it inspire your own artistic journey. Thank you for joining me on this artistic adventure. If you enjoyed this discussion, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of art.